Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the topic business risk. So first of all, understand what do you mean by business risk. Business risk means possibility of inadequate profits or even losses. What I am saying? Business risk means possibility of inadequate profits, means less profits, or possibility of suffering losses because of the uncertainties which are beyond the control of businessman is called as business risk. For example, the losses created because of any natural calamity, like there is any flood, fire or earthquake, volcano, then these are the problems which are beyond the control of businessman, and these create risk to the business. There can be any change in the price, increase or decrease in the prices, change in the competition has increased, suppose. So these are the examples of risk. These create inadequate profits or even losses to the business. Now we will move to the types of business risk. Business risk can be of four types. See the first one. First type of risk is speculative risk. Speculative risk is that risk which creates the possibility of losses as well as the possibility of profits. For example, there are changes in the price. If price has increased, it will create profit to the organization, but if price has decreased, it will create losses to the organization. In the same way, changes in the demand. If demand has increased, it will create profit to the organization. If demand has decreased, it will create losses to the organization. So such type of risk is called as speculative risk. Now see, the second type of risk is pure risk. Pure risk is that risk which either creates losses to the organization or creates no losses. Because of the pure risk, there will be losses to the organization or there will be no losses. In case of pure risk, there will not be any chance of profit. For example, that any natural calamity is there, flood, fire or any tsunami is there, so such type of activities will create either losses or there will not be any losses, but there cannot be any situation of profit because of the pure risk activities. Now, the third type of risk is insurable risk. Insurable risk are such type of risk against which insurance policy can be taken, and because of the insurance policy, compensation will be received and losses will be covered. For example, any loss because of the theft or loss because of the accident, loss because of the fire. For all such type of risk, insurance policy can be taken and losses can be covered. Yes, now fourth type of risk is non-insurable risk. Non-insurable risk are such risk against which insurance policy cannot be taken. For example, there is change in the government policy. There are changes in the prices, changes in the demand. For all these things, no insurance policy can be taken. So these are called as non-insurable risk. So class, here we have studied about four type of risk. Speculative risk, under which there are chances of losses as well as profits. Pure risk, against which there will be losses or no losses. Insurable risk, which can be covered under insurance. Non-insurable risk, which cannot be covered under insurance. Now we will move to the nature of business risk. So first point is, business risk arises due to uncertainties. Yes, students, business risk arises due to uncertainties because business decisions are taken for the future, and future is uncertain. Anything can happen in the future, Like there can be change in the demand, there can be change in the prices, there can be change in the government policy, there can be any natural calamity, anything can happen in the future. And managers cannot take predictions, accurate prediction about the coming future. So anything can happen in the coming future. That's why always risk is present in the business because of these future uncertainties. So first point is clear. Business risk is created due to future uncertainties. Move to the second nature of business risk. Risk is an essential part of every business. Risk is very important part of every business. No business can run without taking risk. And risk cannot be eliminated, but it can be minimized by taking insurance policy. Third nature of business risk is degree of risk depends mainly upon nature and size of business. Degree of risk depends mainly, firstly, nature of the business. Suppose a business organization is there dealing in essential commodities like salt, sugar, or you can say rice or oil. So in such type of organization, risk is less because these are the things which are generally demanded by everyone. There is no question of change in the demand regarding such type of essential commodities. They are demanded by everyone. And suppose a business organization is dealing in fashionable goods. So in that kind of business organization, risk will be more because fashion keep on changing. Now consider the case of size of business. If a firm is dealing in a big size of business is large, then degree of risk will be high. But if an organization is dealing in small business, then capital investment will be less and degree of risk will also be low. So here this point is over. Last point under the nature is profit is the reward for risk taking. Yes, profit is the reward for taking risk because profit and risk both are directly connected to each other. If more risk is taken, then there will be chances of earning more profit. But if a firm don't want to take risk, the firm has invested very less capital, then from less capital, less profit can be earned only. So it means if more risk is taken, chances of earning profit will be more. And if less risk is taken, then chances of earning profit will also be low. So here we have completed nature of business risk. Students, now we will move to the last topic of business risk, that is causes of business risk. Causes of business risk are divided into four types. So the first type of cause is natural causes. Natural causes are very important type of cause like any flood, earthquake, tsunami, such type of activity is there. So these activities create great loss to the life, property and income. So this is the first important cause of business risk. Now the second type of business risk is human causes. Yes, human being is also a very big cause of business risk. Like any fraudulent activity is done by the employees. They start stealing the goods as well as cash from the business, that will also create loss to the business. And sometimes the carelessness of employees or employer can also create losses to the business. And sometimes employees goes on strike or lockout. So such type of activities also create losses to the business organization because in the condition of strike and lockout, no business activity will be performed. Business will be closed that time. So this will be a situation of loss to the business organization. Now move to the third cause, that is economic causes. Economic causes are such causes which are created because of the conditions of the market, that is change in the demand, supply, change in the price level. All these activities are included under economic causes. Last cause of business risk is other causes. Other causes includes physical causes as well as political causes. Physical causes again includes two type of causes, that is technical and mechanical causes. Like any problem comes in the machine, damage of the part of the machine, or you can say bursting of the boiler. So these things create great loss to the organization as well as employees, or there can be any power failure. So all these activities are included under physical causes and create loss to the organization. Second, I told you about political causes. Political causes includes like change in any government policy, change in the industrial or taxation policy or licensing system. So all these activities are the part of political causes and can create problem to the business organization. So students, I think these four causes of business risk are clear to everyone. So here your topic of business risk is completed. So business risk as well as types of business risk, nature of business risk and causes of business risk is clear to everyone. Thank you class.